exciting is this? I'm about to try out our new patterned paint rollers on my painted table. Ooh. So I've painted my table with Country Grey, which is a beautiful neutral that doesn't get used enough. And then I'm going to roller onto it my beautiful rose pattern in Rococo White using our brand new paint pattern rollers. When you put the paint on the roller, you're actually using it the wrong way round. So you have to turn it around so that the roller is actually closest to the piece of furniture. And then you apply the roller. Now again, we've got to work out which way is up and which way is down for the pattern. So I think that pattern there is upside down, as I said, and then we pop it on here on the lower hole, which is, I don't think you're supposed to have it on the lower hole. Oops. But that way it is definitely going to pick up the paint, as you can see. It's on the second hole now. Now it's picking up the paint. Okay. At the moment the plus is facing towards me. So I'm going to start on my board. I've put on my table, I've put a strip of masking tape around the edge because I don't want the pattern on the edge. So just in case I go over the edge. And now I'm going to line her up. So I'm going to put my end of my roller where the corner is, but just a tiny fraction in, and then level it up so that the other silver bar is on the other side. And then I'm going to roll her down and just see how that goes. Okay, not bad for a first one. So then I have to turn her, and so that she's got the paint on the roller again, but the arrow will be facing towards me. I don't suppose you can see this, but I'm doing it anyway, and I've got lots of paint on the roller now, so you can see. Then I'm going to line it up again, and I'm going to line it up just because I can see where the roller starts and finishes. I'm going to line it up so that, yes, I'm on my arrow, so that it just overlaps a bit. And luckily you can rest it onto the piece of furniture before you start, so that you know you've got it right. And now I'm going to drag her down in a straight line and do my next pattern. You may want to see that the end result is that the table is beautifully patterned now. Apologise for my video skills, they're not the best. Oh Ray, my nose looks enormous in this video.